So, in this video, I tell you about 13 huge advantages to taking online classes. Are there advantages to taking classes online? It's such a different experience from the traditional classroom environment. Why should someone want that? And why are so many people saying that online classes are a great alternative in a person attendance in a classroom? Believe it or not, there are some advantage to online classes. Some of these are obvious while others may surprise you. Here are 30 big advantages to taking online classes. It's not a secret that college costs a lot of money. You pay for the classes, a dorm room that smell like old stuff, and activity fees, cafeteria meals, massive. So it's not a secret that college cost a lot of money. You pay for the classes, a dorm room, the small like old stuff cafeteria. With online classes, you do all the work that you on piece as long you meet your deadlines and practice approaching online. You will find that means less pressure and anxiety. So if you live where it's snow, you know how too difficult it can be to get classes when there been a storm. You have to get up early, shovel your way out negatively the ice road and trek across the freezing camps. If even you don't live in a cold area, there are plenty of other conditions that can make it thought come to class. Additionally, you can be flexible about when you get your work done. If someone comes up like needing to take a child to soccer practice and attending a meetup to your job. So, succeeding in online classes requires self discipline. You don't have a teacher to tell you when a assignment is due. Your best friend will not call you on a Monday morning to make sure you are working on that group project. You actually have to log in and practice in the discussion to get practice. Being lazy or undisciplined will cause you quickly fall behind. So, by taking online classes, you develop strong self discipline when often translate to other areas of your life, such as fitness, work ethic, and even relationship. In some ways, the distance is greater between you and your teacher because you're not sitting in a class with them regularly, but in the other way, you have much easier access when you ask a question in a class. The professor has to consider other questions that need to be answered, the time it will take to answer the question, and whether they given want to answer the question at all. In an online class, you can email a teacher question directly. When they answer, they can take as much time as they need to give you through answer. They also don't have to worry about getting to someone else's question before classes and so in this way you actually can have more of your professional attention. So normally your choice of university is significantly narrowed by location. If you live in a Plancey, it can be really challenging in a USLA due to a cross country difference. But with the online classes, location does not matter. If you live in any country, want to take a classes and stay university, you can. If you want to travel to country while stimulus getting an accounting degree, you can make that happen. All you need is computer, a table, and internet connection. This location independence is massive, often underrated benefits of online classes. So there is obviously no dress code with online classes. If you want to do work in your PLS or travel tracksuit, you can. If you want to lie on your couch or your bed while watching a lecture, you can. If you want classically music on in the background while you chat with your classmates on form you can. So this is all about the advantages of online classes.